Hi everyone, welcome to a Unicell new product introduction summary. We are pleased to present to you Unicell's latest edition, the Ucell. I will outline for you some great information surrounding the Ucell in terms of description and benefits, features and properties, configurations and specification, a cross comparison to a Unicell 9-module deep cell, installation procedures, and how to order. You can also email Unicell to request that a PDF version of this presentation be sent to you. Let's get started with description and benefits. The Ucell mounts underneath Unicell modular work surfaces. You can see that it is designed to accept existing Unicell components such as drawers, and as we'll see later on, other suggested configurations. The Ucell is a one-piece molded unit and technically falls under the product category of cells, but has its own unique qualities compared to other Unicell cells. The Ucell was specifically developed to provide a cost-effective, medium-sized storage capacity unit for a clinical environment. The polypropylene material which the Ucell is constructed of is both lightweight and non-brittle. Some other benefits are listed here. As you can see in the diagram top left, the Ucell is three-sided and contains 6 Unicell modules on the inside which, similar to regular cells, are part of the overall continuous molded unit. The lock block and adjustable stabilizer bar are separate parts, but are included as part of the Ucell and do not need to be ordered separately. The Ucell is available in our 3 base colors of champagne, gray, and silent white, and is only $351 list and comes with a 10-year warranty. Similar to regular Unicell cells, the Ucell can be configured with interior components for storing healthcare materials. It can store a maximum of 8 modules of interior components, meaning it is possible for a 3-module drawer to extend past the bottom of the Ucell. Here are some of the suggested configurations and the associated storage capacities. And here are some other suggested configurations. You can pause this presentation at any time if you would like to read over any of the information in greater detail. Please note on this slide that when using a lift front, the top module of the Ucell needs to be kept available for the lift front's operability. Even though it is acceptable for a 3-module drawer to extend past the bottom of the Ucell, it cannot be specified as locking as shown in the photo. This is because the locking mechanism would not be able to secure into the side of the Ucell's interior module. As shown in the other diagram, it is possible for 2 Ucells to be mounted side by side underneath a 48-inch wide modular work surface. When comparing the Ucell to a 9-module deep cell, we find there are particular advantages to both. As we can see here quite obviously, the list price of the Ucell is significantly less than a 9-module deep cell. This will translate into savings for a client project overall. Let's talk about the installation sequence that your installers would follow on site for the Ucell. The PDF version of this presentation can even be used as an installation reference document and manual. The first step to install a Ucell is to attach the U-channels to the underside of the work surface. It is important to note the following regarding the U-channel. The side flange of each U-channel is to be mounted facing inward. And in order to fit properly into the Ucell, the dimension between the inner edges of the 2 U-channels is 20 3/16 of an inch as shown in the plan diagram. It is important that this dimension be consistent from front to back. Both U-channels are to be mounted 1 1/8 inch back from the front edge of the work surface. Once the U-channels are attached to the work surface, the adjustable stabilizer bar would be placed into the Ucell. This component helps the Ucell maintain a consistent width from top to bottom. The stabilizer bar comes with left and right side stabilizer clips. The position of the stabilizer bar and clips would be determined by the configuration of Unicell drawers, trays, or shelves being loaded into the U-cell. Now that the stabilizer bar is in place, a lock block is placed at the back as shown. The U-cell simply slides into the U-channels, and then the lock block would be screwed into the underside of the work surface. And this will prevent the U-cell from sliding forward during normal operability of drawers, trays, and shelves. The U-cell is then ready to be loaded with its chosen configuration of Unicell interior components. You can order the U-cell directly from Unicell. There are only 3 product codes necessary to know for ordering. CUD is the base product code, and 3 finish codes tagged on the end. And of course, if you have any questions regarding the U-cell, we're happy to help answer. We're excited to offer this new product to you and look forward to its contribution to the Unicell product line for a successful healthcare initiative. Thanks so much for listening, and have a fantastic day.